Now, this is what you call an entrance. Welcome to the spectacular Les Murailles Villa. Hello, I'm Sam from Mapro Knight Frank, and today we are in this incredible 6-bedroom villa in a gated development in Goldra. Trust me, you're going to love this one. If you're looking for that wow factor with timeless architecture but modern living, it doesn't get better than this. High vaulted detailed ceilings, stone flooring, open plan living, and of course a stunning sea view. Now this kitchen isn't just about looks. Top of the line Gaggenau appliances, a huge island. If you love to cook or just love to look like you do, this is your space. And imagine sitting here for dinner. Uninterrupted ocean views, a warm breeze flowing through. Not a bad spot for a meal. Let's step into the main bedroom suite. With a private balcony and inspiring views, his and hers spa-like bathrooms in Travertine, and a huge walk-in wardrobe with its very own dressing room. And of course, no luxury villa is complete without your very own heated pool. Whether it's for a morning swim or a sunset dip, this is the place where you want to be. Outdoor cooking, big TV, beautifully landscaped gardens. This area is all about relaxing and entertaining with style. And just in case you need a private office, a personal gym, or even an extra guest suite, this villa has you covered. For more information on this property, please check reference 4052 on our website. If you want to view this or other incredible properties, make sure to follow. See you in the next one.